Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit any PDF using your Android smartphone. So let's begin.
Open Play Store and search for the application name as PDF Gear. Install this application that is named as PDF Gear PDF Editor. Just install it, and after installation open it. Now you'll see like this interface. To add new PDF, tap on plus icon and you will see different options like import from photo. To convert your photo into PDF, just use this option. And to scan your documents, create new scan. And to right now I am showing how you can edit PDF, so tap on this files option and select your PDF. Once PDF is loaded in this application, you will see preview of this file. So just tap on this file and here the edit option you'll see on the top of this interface. Just tap on edit and you will see here annotate. To highlight any text like this, or to edit the text on the PDF, just tap on this annotate again and you will see here different option like edit, organize pages, fill and sign. To right now I am showing how you can edit or remove text on the PDF. Just tap on edit and you'll see here all the text has been highlighted. To edit the text, just tap on the highlighted text like this and you'll see on the top edit, select copy text and delete. To delete the text, just tap on delete. To edit the text or change the sentence, you can tap on edit and now you can remove the text or add a new text here. And to add a new image or to remove the existing image, you can select under the edit option. Now tap on edit image and add image. Now select your image. To now place the image where you want to add like this. In the same way, if you want to remove the existing image on the PDF, just tap on the image and see here delete option. Just tap on this delete and this will delete the image. To again remove the text from the edit menu, just tap on the edit again and tap on text to edit the text. And to remove the text, just tap on the highlighted text or any text that is highlighted and you want to remove that text completely, just tap on this text and see here delete. Just tap on delete and this will delete the text completely. And once you are done with the editing, tap on the done and on the right side on the three dots, just tap there and you'll see here save as option. So this is how you can easily edit any PDF documents in your Android smartphone. So that's it for today, and if you are finding this video useful for you, click on the like button and share and follow my channel. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.